Hi folks, my name is Philip and I'm from Mind My Business. Today we're going to show you how to get some information out of the system. Let's look at 5 reports today. Let's find out how much you're owed, how much you owe, whether you're making money, what you're worth at the moment, and that very important report, the trial balance, which is how you hand over to your accountant at the end of the year. So let's start with the all-important how much are you owed. In invoices, you go down to the sales invoices section and you press on outstanding sales. And you can see that at the moment you're owed €17,972. So it would be time to go and collect that money. Let's next go to how much money you owe. Again in invoices, you go to the purchase invoices and press on outstanding purchases. Some people call these two reports debtors ledger and creditors ledger, but we find that outstanding sales and outstanding purchases is a much more human way of describing it. Here we go, you owed €719 and you can see from when these invoices were and when they were due and that they're overdue and you better start paying them. Now let's have a look at the more financial reports. We go into ledger and first of all we're going to see whether you're making any money or not. You've got various different forms of the income statement. So let's just take the simplest form, which is how are we doing this year? And we can see here, month by month, we can see broken down how much money we've taken in, how much money we've spent, and we can see that with the exception of February and April, it's actually been quite a good year. And every other month we've made money, and overall we've made some money. The next thing to look at is the balance sheet, or the modern name for that is the statement of financial position. So again, let's have a look and see where we are at. Is our company actually worth anything? And lo and behold, it turns out we have a positive balance sheet. And we can see how that's broken down. We've got just over 11,000 in our bank account. We're owed 17,000. And we owe 700 on our credit card. We owe 11,000 in net salaries. We owe 12,000 in payroll taxes. We owe 719 in trade payables, and we owe just over 4,000 in VAT. And so the overall value of the business is just holding in the positive. At this stage, folks, I'd like to show you how you can do a drill down. Let's, for example, have a look and see this €8,750, which we invoiced in February. Let's see what's behind that. You press on the 8,750 and it shows you all of the invoices that we issued in order to get to that 8,750. And we can see that we issued 3,500 worth of invoices for general services and another €5,600 worth of invoices for recruitment services. Finally, let's go to the last report. This is the one that you hand over to your accountant at the end of the year. It's called the trial balance. It's unlikely that you'll have much use for it during the year, but your accountant wants to see it. So let's give it a date of the end of the year. And this is the information that your accountant uses to do your year-end accounts. So that's it, folks. Lots of different financial reports available. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and use Mind My Business. Sign up for it on our webpage at www.mindmybusiness.ie or continue using it if you're already a user.